press. They already do have the outfit. It is a VIP item, by the way. I want to mention that before we start, and it's super simple. I just used some adjustments for the hair, but let's get started. For the hair, I use this one in this color. You can actually make it, I don't know what color she has actually. Maybe, I think it is a little bit darker than this. It's like brown, but it's like dark brown. So position the Z 2.52 and scale it the same. And then for this one, just going to change the colors for everything. No bangs, position the Z 2.54, rotate the X 2.52. Then this updo and position the Y 2.51. Then I just did this hair in the no bangs toggle and rotated the X 2.52. And that's about it for the hair. If you want the makeup, this is what I use. This is the eyes that I used in this color, 949697. And then these are the brows that I used over here in just black. And then I used this mouth here. The first color is B0504B, and then I just did this red. Then I added just this contour, and then for the eyes, I just added this. I use these noses, one here, and then this. And then I added the like blood thing here and just colored it red. For the outfit, it's actually super simple. Grab this. I am going to change the color, however, to this color instead, 392949. And I'm just going to turn on the dirty toggle. And on the fourth toggle, color it red. Same for the skirt. I'm just going to change the color. I actually don't know what color it is specifically, but it just looks this like the most similar to what I've seen in pictures. Then again, dirty toggle and just color it red. I don't know what shoes she wears, so I'm just going to use sneakers and like white and then some gray and then a lighter gray. Then you can add socks or not. I don't know. I think I like it better without, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.